Bulavinaka, it's me, Caroline, at my second home, Walk the Plank. Missing my Kokomo family so much. During these isolated times, I thought to put together our favorite dish, our chicken senchoy bao, so that you can make it at home. Let's do this. So today we've got some nice diced chicken, some palm sugar syrup, fish sauce, thinly sliced red onion, 2 wedges of lemon from the garden, some toasted rice, dried chili flakes, freshly picked herbs from the garden, spring onion, mint and coriander, thinly sliced garlic, and some nice lettuce cups made from iceberg. Now we're going to get into the cooking part. Obviously you need to turn on your wok on nice high heat, add some vegetable oil. Go. First you want to add your chicken. Give it a bit of a stir. Oh, sorry about that. It cooks really fast, so now we're going to add on some sugar syrup and some fish sauce. Two squeezes of this beautiful lemon from the garden. Go. Put the flame up again and give it a nice good fry. What you want to do is keep cooking it until all the liquid disappears and it starts to caramelize. This should take a minute or a minute and a half. Keep watching it and keep stirring it. Chicken is all dried up and it's nicely caramelized. Let's put that in a bowl and get rid of this. And now to add on our freshly sliced onions and garlic. Give it a bit of a stir so that the onions and the garlic soften. There we go, like that. Next, we have some dried chili flakes. Just a pinch of that. A bit of toasted rice. There you go. And all the herbs. The more herbs, the better. There we go. Give it a bit of a good mix. You have your lettuce cups. And now we get to fill it one by one. And this is good for lunch. It's nice and light. It's good for dinner. It's good for this hot climate, as it's not too heavy and very healthy and very quick to prepare. Just a tablespoon worth in each cup. And there you have it, from Kokomo with love.